Hello children, so this is first in-text numerical of chapter light. A convex mirror. So it is convex mirror. So remember the sign convention for convex mirror, convex lens and convex mirror. Focal length is positive. Used for rear view mirror on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. So radius of curvature is given as 3 meter. And half of this will be your focal length. Focal length is half of radius of curvature. So it's 3 by 2. That is 1.5 meter. What is important is your sign. So focal length of convex is plus 1.5 meters. If a bus is located at this distance, so this is distance of the object denoted by U symbol. It is 5 meter. Okay, and what according to the sign convention, distance of object is always taken negative. That axis is only taken negative. This is negative. This is the convex mirror. Let me draw it that way. This is the convex mirror in your vehicle, and here is the bus. So distance of the bus is 5 meter, and it is in front of the mirror. That axis is negative. The negative side. We'll have to find the position, nature and size of the image. So we will make use of mirror formula, which is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by focal length. 1 by focal length. Okay. So what is V? Distance of image. What is U? Distance of object. V is distance of image, U is distance of object. So let us substitute 1 by 1.5, that is focal length. This I am substituting first. Okay. Then this side 1 by V plus 1 by U with sign. So this 1 by V will remain here alone, and this minus 1.5 will go that side. So that is 1.1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5. So when we will remove this decimal, so we can write upon 10, and that upon 10 will go up. That quantity, this is 15 by 10, that 10 will go up. So now you can take LCM and you can add. So 1 by V is equal to 15, this is 10, and 5 3 is 15, so LCM is this. So V is equal to 1 by V is equal to 13 by 15. So we will reciprocate both the sides. The distance of image is equal to 15 by 13, that is 13 1 is 13 and 2, so 13 1 is 1.1 something meter is coming. This is the distance of the image. So distance of the image is coming positive. Right. Now positive means, suppose this is convex mirror, then in front of the mirror there are negative quantities, like by sign convention we take those distances negative. Okay, so image is formed here behind the mirror because it is positive, it is coming positive. And how much away? 1.1 meter away from pole. So here is image formed. Okay, so where is the position? This much behind the mirror. You can say behind the mirror. And what is the nature? And if it is behind the mirror, you all know already, nature will be virtual and erect. So we were told to find out the position and nature and size. For size, you can take help of ray diagram. So this is your convex mirror. This is your principal axis. You can draw your object. Where is the bus? Bus is somewhere here. First ray parallel. It will be reflected outwards and it will go through focus. And what about second ray? Second ray you can take any. Like I will take this. It will fall at the same angle and it will reflect it at the same angle. So it is also produced back. So here is the image. So what is the size of the image in comparison to the object? It is diminished. So all three informations we have given. Let us get to the next numerical. An object 4 centimeter in height, 4 centimeter in size, that is height of the object. So this we will write as height above the object. It is 4 centimeter. Object is always kept above the principal axis, so it will be taken positive. It will be taken positive. Please. It is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So we will draw concave mirror. Where is the object placed? Object is placed 25 centimeter. The distance of the object is 25 centimeter. So we'll take distance of the object as minus 25 because front of the mirror is negative. U is always taken negative. Distance of the object. U is distance of the object. Focal length is given as 15 centimeter. Now we have to keep in mind, because focus will lie this side, it is in front of the concave mirror, it is also taken negative. For concave mirror and concave lens, focal length is always negative. Concave word. Okay, so we can find out U and F is there, so we can find out rest of the quantity, we can find out this using mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So let us substitute 1 by V. We don't have. 1 by U is 1 by minus 25. And this is focal length of concave. So it is 1 by minus 15. This quantity will go that side and will become positive. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by 25, which is equal to, you can take the LCM. Okay, suppose I am taking LCM like this. So here I will write 25 minus, and here I will write 15. So my 1 by V is coming as minus 10 by 15 into 25. So 5 5s are and 5 2s are. So it is minus 2 by 15 5s are 75. So 1 by V is coming as minus 75, minus 2 by 75. So you will reciprocate both the sides. So V will come as 75 by 2. That is minus 37.5 meter or centimeter as per the given question. So it is centimeter. Now children, what have they asked? Let us see. They have asked where should be the screen placed, that is where is image obtained. They want to ask this because on screen image will be obtained. Find the nature and the size. So we can come to this. See, V is negative, that means the image is formed in front of the mirror. Where is image formed? In front of the mirror, because it is negative. V is negative. V for distance of image. Where is distance of image? In front of the mirror, because it is negative at 37.5 meter. Okay, and how is in front image is formed? It is formed real and inverted, and behind it is formed virtual and erect. This is nature. Now we have to tell the size. So for size we can go for the ray diagram, or we can find out magnification also if we wish. So let us see. First of all, let us see the focal length. Focal length was 15. So this is 15. Object was, so this is your focus. Object was kept at 25. So 15, this is 25. This is your object. An image is formed at, we will see later on. This is draw. This is the object. First ray parallel, going to inwards and focus. You will draw it properly, right? Second ray, if you wish, you can take this, the simplest one. So here is image formed. And what is the distance of the image? 37.5. And now does it look big, enlarged? But you can tell magnification also. So magnification formula for mirror is minus V, that is distance of image, upon U, that is distance of object. So what is V? It is minus 37.5 and U is minus 25. So whatever it comes, you can write that. For example, it will come negative and then 25 ones are 25. It's 155 something, but it's 1.6 around that. Okay. Now, negative value of magnification means you can memorize this fact. Negative M means image is real and inverted. Image is real and inverted. And because it is more than 1, as magnification's value is more than 1, so image is enlarged. Image is enlarged. So let us see the next question now. Find the focal length of a convex mirror. Convex mirror. So these words are very important. Concave, convex. Okay. Whose radius of curvature is 32. So radius of curvature is 32. So we know that focal length is half of radius of curvature. So it will be 16. But then it is convex. So sign would be positive. Coming to the next numerical, concave mirror, keep in mind it is concave, so focal length will be negative if required. Produces 3 times magnified, so magnification's value is 3 and it is given real image. Real means magnification is negative, very important. If magnification is negative, that means image is real. So real image, the magnification is negative. Object is placed 10 centimeter. Object is distance is 10 and object distance is always negative. So where is the image located? It is so simple. So we can use mirror magnification's formula minus V by U. Magnification's value is minus 3. Distance of image is to be calculated and what is U? Minus 10. So minus 10 will go that side. So where is V? Minus 30. So where is image located? 30 centimeter. Image is located at 30 centimeter, and because negative sign is there, that means in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. Keep in mind that front of the mirror side is negative. So we'll get to next. So let us see this question. This is from NCERT. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. So U is negative 10 from a convex mirror. Convex mirror. So keep in mind focal length will be positive. Positive 15 centimeters. Okay, we have to find out position and nature of the image. So we can find out using mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is 1 by F. So we can substitute V. We have to find out, sorry. So it's 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by 15. So 1 by V will be equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So you can take LCM. You can take LCM whichever way you wish. I have taken this way. 25 by 150. So it's 1 by 6. So V is 6. So this is position, and nature also we have to tell. So we will tell, okay. So image is formed at 6 centimeter or meter, 6 centimeter from mirror, and it is positive. No, positive means behind the mirror. So image is formed 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay. Now we have to tell the nature also. So we can go for magnification always. Magnification's formula is minus V by U. V came as minus 6. Sorry, plus 6. So minus is already there. And U is minus 10, I guess. Yeah. Object distance is 10. Yeah. So it is 0.6. Okay. So magnification is 0.6. So magnification is positive, no? So positive magnification means positive M means image is virtual and erect. That is the nature. And because it is less than 1.6, so image is diminished. Next question is the magnification produced by a plane mirror is 1. Exactly 1. What does it mean? Huh? So magnification is positive first of all. Positive means image is virtual and erect. Image is virtual and erect. And do you know magnification second formula? It is height of image by height of object. Magnification is how much here? 1. So 1 is equal to height of image by height of object. So what is the meaning of 1? 1 means height of image is equal to height of object. That is, image is of same size as that of object. So these are all the meaning. Let us get to next. This is NCERT question number 14. Now we all must be used to solving numerical. This is an object 5 centimeter in length. That is height of object, and it will be taken positive because object is kept above the principal axis. At a distance of 20 centimeter. So U is minus 20. It is convex mirror. So focal length will be, sorry, this is radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is 30. So focal length will be half of that and would be positive because it is convex. So we have to do the same thing. We can find out. Now U is there, F is there. So U is there, F is there. Use mirror's formula. 1 by V plus 1 by U is 1 by F. And ditto, do the same way. And this you should try and you can match the answer with NCERT. 1 by V. Substitute it is minus 20. This is 1 by 15. So 1 by V would be equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Do take the LCM on your own. 15 into 20, 20 plus 15, or you can take the simpler way that you know. 35, 15 into 20. So 5 sevens are, 5 threes are, so it's 7 by 60. You can reciprocate and you can write that V is 60 by 7. Then because it is positive, and it means image is formed behind the mirror. at a distance of this much centimeter. You can divide. Okay, then you can find out magnification. Magnification is given by minus v by u. V is 60 by 7, minus sign is there, and u is minus 20. So minus minus plus 23 so it is 3 by 7. So magnification is positive. Positive means virtual and direct, and it is less than 1. So it is diminished. Less than 1. Magnification is less than 1. So magnification formula is height of image by height of object is less than 1. So height of image is less than, this not will go the side, height of object. The image height is less. It is diminished. Okay children, one more thing in this question they have asked size also. You can see size. So it means you have to tell the height. Okay. So what is the magnification? Magnification that I obtain is 3 by 7. You check your calculations properly. Okay. So it is height of image by height of object is 3 by 7. Height of object is given to you in the numerical. Check it out. 5 centimeter. This. So height of object is 5 centimeters. So we can substitute. Height of image by 5 is 3 by 7. Okay, so it will come as height of image would come as 15 by 7, which is 2 point something. So height is this much. Centimeter or meter, whichever is given. Getting to the next question. This is question number 15 of NCERT. This is size of object. How will we write? H naught and plus will be the sign. It is placed at 27 centimeter in front of concave mirror. So object distance is minus 27. 27 is the distance and negative means in front of the mirror. Focal length is 18 and focal length of concave will be taken negative. Where should the screen be placed? Screen means image. Where is image formed? On the screen. Find the size and nature. So we'll be using again mirror formula. So this question is for you. You all can use the mirror formula and can obtain the answer and can check. Okay. So this will be the position. From here you can find out V. When V is there with you, let us solve it. 1 by V. You can solve it with me and you can check yourself. 1 by F is minus 18. So this will go that side. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 18 plus 1 by 27. Be very particular about the signs and all. So this is like you can take it any. I am taking it like this. So it is minus 27 here and plus 18 this side. This is 1 by V. So 1 by V is coming as minus 9 by 18 into 27. So 1 by V is coming as minus 54. Minus 1 upon 54. So V is minus 54 centimeter or meter that you check. This is position is at this in front. Okay, then you can find out magnification. Magnification is given by minus V by U. It is minus minus 54. What is the value of U? It is 18. U is 18, I guess. No, U is this 27 minus 27. Minus minus cancel. So M is coming as minus 2. then you would say negative means image is real and inverted. And magnification is your 2. And this can be written as height of image by height of object. It is -2. So height of image will come as, see, initially height of object is given as 7 centimeter. So it will go that side. Height of image will come as, this is 7 into -2, -14. So height of image is 14. It is double, right? It is coming negative because it is real and inverted, so it will be formed down. If you wish, you can draw a ray diagram for this. You can draw a concave mirror. In exam, they can make you draw they can draw the ray diagram and they will ask questions. So you should be well practiced with ray diagrams also. Like they are saying, height is 27. No, height is 7. Kept at 27. Focal length is 18. So this is 18. First ray parallel going to focus. Second ray, whichever you wish, you can take. Like this. So it is forming at -24. It is forming as -54, sorry. And you can see this is double. So you can draw a ray diagram always. Okay, in place of giving the entire statement, they can give this situation also. You have to pick all the quantities on your own. So kindly prepare these numericals properly. Thank you.